How do you feel, Manny?
I'm tired.
You have a little bit of sleep in your eyes, too. You have a little bit of sleep?
Hold it now! Oh! Come on, come on! Huh! Alright, y'all! I testified, my mama cried, black people died when the other man lied. See the TV, listen to me, double trouble. I overhaul and I'm coming from the lower level. I'm taking tabs, show enough stuff to grab like shirts and it hurts with a neck direct. Took a poll cause our soul took control from the education of a TV station. But look around, here go the sound of a record ball, boom and pound. When I shut them down, I shut them down. Shut them down, shut them down. I shut them down, shut them down. Shut them down, I shut them down. Shut them down, shut them down. I shut them down, shut them down. Shut them down, I shut them down. Shut them down, shut them down. I shut them down, shut them down. Shut them down, I shut them down. Shut them down, shut them down. I shut them down, shut them down. Shut them down. Come on. All right.
Shrouds, they're all. Yeah, there's a button on the big end.
On the big end. On the big end.
Push it in with your thumb.
Yeah.
All the way.
Dude, it's fine.
Around the bottom, and then you curl it around the top, and then you put it on like this.
Right.
So it's like an easy way to do it.
Is the red light flashing?
Fuck you, GoPro. I'm hot shit, alright?
I followed you foolishly. You were at a smoky bar. You were out to play. Sat alongside the car to near the bar. Couldn't wait for you all night, so I broke the door. I was gonna spend the night. Could have been a pain.
good speed for you, Alex? Go faster?
Yeah, let's go faster.
Oh fuck, look at that. Look at that carabiner braking, dude. Anyone hear me?
Oh shit, it is!
What's going on?
Oh, it's about to do it like right soon.
Oh shit!
Stare at it!
What?
On camera!
What should I do? What should I do?
Should we beach here and fix it?
Yeah. What are we gonna fix?
I don't know. Maybe we can use rope or something.
Independently of you saying that, okay?
Yeah, but it was like.
What am I fucking doing?
Hey, turn this off for a second. We're going in.
Stop touching your hairy legs.
Switch to Jimmy.
Hey, what are you doing? Don't push that button.
This button.
Hey! What? Sorry. Fuck.
Is it on? Good to go?
Good to go. There you go.
So we got the private beach over here.
Yeah, look at these little oddities.
Yeah, we should take some of these over.
I named him Jules, he stole my baby, then he stole my heart. I knew that he was a tiger right from the start. She was rough with him, 'cause he's a ragamuffin, oh yeah. She played hard, but then he got harder. She kicked his head, that's when he got harder. Jules, what don't get, don't mean you ain't a man. Yeah. Just 'cause you're a man, don't mean every pussy need a day. You creep on my girl, finding other healer to ride around. You're lost in you, singing for the girls. You're lost in you, and it's maybe you who got you in
You're like, I'm documenting, okay? I'm doing something, Connor. Smile.
We've been here for 4 days. 13 hours, 45 minutes.
Oh shit, what are you doing?
I was doing it.
It's kind of hard to get out of this. Ow! Manny's stuck, you guys! I can't do both of them at the same time. I can do one, but that's... Actually, alright, here we go. Are you stuck? I feel like you're just getting deep. Put the shit on, bitch. You're the GoPro bitch.
I'm not interested enough.
No, you don't have to do anything. This is the best one. You're not a girl. Okay, now get me. You can't. Yeah.
What, Nate? You said I don't have to do anything. Fuck off.
God, they're doing such a great job.
We could do that if we wanted to.
Well, it's nothing we couldn't do, you know. I mean, it's just we don't want to do it. We ran out of pucks to do. You're supposed to just not do it.
It's gonna be cold.
Alex is doing jumping jacks, Connor. He obviously hasn't